Okay, so these new 3D printers that we designed, we're just launching them here at Sign Africa, and these printers can print up to 70 millimeters a second. We've designed this machine with the two gantries that if you've got two jobs, smaller letters to print, you can pack them on both sides of the bed, or you can use 2/3 and 1/3 here. So yeah, you basically tell the machine where to run on the bed, and then obviously you can use the whole bed with one of the gantries if you want to do bigger letters. And this machine can print up to 4 millimeters thick returns. We've also got our filament on 7.5 kilogram rolls, so that if there's a lot of printing that needs to be done, you don't have to change the rolls at the whole time. And so I'm very excited about these machines. We've had very good response from it, back from our clients, and so like I say, it's a new technology for the signage industry in helping the guys with perspex fabrication instead of perspex fabrication, to rather print their returns 3D with our 3D printer.